Hello again, my friends. Happy Friday once more. Today is October 9th, and it is our last day of video calendar next week. And from there on out, we get to do it in person together, and I could not be more excited. I hope you're super excited too. Let's start, since we already did our straws and our calendar, let's start with our songs. We're going to start with our Days of the Week song. And we're going to sing it 2 times through. We always sing it 2 times through. So let me remember the tune in my head so we can just sing it 2 times. Got it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Great job, my friends. I know you'll be ready to lead that song to the rest of your class once we are in person. I don't know why I switched around like that. We're going to do our months of the year next. Just 1 time through for our months of the year. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. Those are the months of the year. Great job. That's another one that I know you'll be ready to lead when we get back to class. Now I want to take a look at our 2 cheer words, like and the. Let's cheer our words like and the together. Here we go. L-I-K-E, L-I-K-E, like. And that's it. We've just read and spelled the word like. Great job. Next up we have the. Are you ready for the? Here we go. T-H-E, T-H-E, the. Oh my goodness. I could hear you guys saying those letters so perfect. T-H-E, T-H-E, the. Great job, my friends. If you are in 1st or 2nd grade, go ahead and skip ahead to our next calendar because we're going to get started with our kinder calendar today. Let's move some things on Miss Mariko's desk so we can see. So we can see clearly. I've got all my straws here. I'm going to have to take very, very good care of them so that we can still have them in class. Now, let's see. We've got another song. Are you ready for our next super simple, quick song? It is Name on Your Paper. First thing, don't just say it, do it. So we're going to put our names on our papers. And we're going to write in the upper right-hand corner your first name, please. And we're going to move straight into tracing the word October at the top. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. There we have it. Now let's practice our tracing a little bit more carefully and a little bit smaller on our next October. Here we go. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. Great job, my friends. And if I'm moving too fast, please just go ahead and hit the pause button for me. Now we know today is October the 9th. We talked about it in class quite a bit. We're going to abbreviate that month of October by writing a 10 in our first box. And tracing our dash. So we have 10 dash, and then we're going to write our day, number 9, 10 dash 9 dash 20, because it is the year 2020. Like I said, it is the last day of Zoom learning, so we're going to go all the way to our last weekday, and we're going to trace in that F for Friday, and then we're going to do our super straight lines all the way around the dotted box. Super straight lines telling us that it is Friday today. All right, my friends, today we're going to do our AAB pattern, and we're going to try very, very hard to do the same pattern that we have on our calendar. So we're going to do pumpkin, pumpkin, what? Who remembers the next shape or pattern in our calendar? It is pumpkin, and I'm just doing like a little circle with a line out of it. Pumpkin, pumpkin, and then acorn is special because it has a point at the end and a cap on top. Kind of looks like an ice cream cone with a stem. So let's repeat our pattern. Going back to A, we have pumpkin, pumpkin, acorn. There's my little acorn. That one's a little bit pointier even. And then we're going to go right back to the beginning of our pattern with pumpkin, pumpkin. What would be next if there was another circle? What would we draw in our next circle? That's right, we do our B shape, which is a acorn. Almost said pattern, but it's an acorn. So we have pumpkin, pumpkin, acorn, pumpkin, pumpkin, acorn, pumpkin, pumpkin, and in our own little circle, we drew another acorn. Fantastic job today, my friends. We are moving right along. Our number of the day is the same number as yesterday. It is the number 4. Our number 4. And our domino is going to look a little bit different today. Our domino is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots all on one side and no dots on this side. So that would be like 4 plus 0 equals 4. All right, with our dice, yesterday we did doubles. Today we are going to do 3 and 1 more to make 4. Great job. Let's keep on moving with our 10 frame. We're going to count as we dot 1, 2, 3, 4. Freeze! We're done. We just have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots and we're done. We're going to put our number 4 in our fancy circle, and then we're going to make dots 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the number 1 here equals 1 dot, and then that equals, let's count them. Let's count all the dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals the number 5, and I'm going to draw my 5 dots down here. So we have 4 plus 1 more equals 5. Next up, we're going to go all the way back over here with our tally marks. Start at the dot, make a straight line down, make it look like the number 1 for 1. Do it again for 2. 1 more time makes 3. And the last one for our number 4, 1 straight line down, no lines across. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. Great job, my friends. Next up, we're going to put our 4 in the fancy circle again, and we can steal our answer from right up here. 4 and 1 more makes the number 5. Now I want to take 1 away. I need to go 1 less than 4, so I'm going to cover up 1 dot, and then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see if it makes sense. Let's see if these numbers make sense together. Is this how we normally count? 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is how we count. So this is correct. And last but certainly not least, our number of the day is 4, and we are going to write that we have been in school for 44 days. Remember, that is our 4 bundles of 10. Oh, I thought I had 5 for a second, but this one just kind of separated. There it is. 4 bundles of 10 and 4 single straws. So we have 4 bundles of 10 and 4 single straws. All right, if you need some more time, please pause the video now. Otherwise, I'm going to move along to the 1st and 2nd grade calendar. So kindergartners, I am so excited to see you on Monday so we can do our calendar. I'll see you guys Monday, kindergartners. If you're a 1st or 2nd grader, hello, welcome back. Welcome back, my friends. Let's sing our favorite song for starting a worksheet. It is Name on Your Paper. First thing, don't just say it, do it. So we are going to write our names on our papers. There we have it. And first things first, we're going to start with our title, the month of October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. And then we'll practice writing it smaller once more, just below. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. Very good job. Now we're going to throw our 9 in the circle because today is the 9th day of the month. And the year is still 2020. Who remembers my trick for abbreviating our month of October? We just stick a line in front of it, and then we remember that's a 10. We'll erase that line because we just need it to remember. The month is 10. We're going to write 10-9, that's our day, -20, because those are the last 2 digits of the year. 10-9-20. Now, I know for sure today is Friday, last day of the week, last Zooms and calendar video. So I'm going to check off my Friday box. And then I'm going to go to yesterday. Yesterday was, I'm pretty sure it was Thursday, but let's just make sure that this box is in the same location. Yep, this check mark and this check mark match each other in the same location. So there's our yesterday was Thursday checkbox. And we'll do that same thing over in our tomorrow is box. We're going to go to that same exact position and say, yes, tomorrow is in fact Saturday. Cannot wait for the weekend. For our number pattern today, we're going to go do a little bit of a different one. We're going to use the number 40 and repeat the number 40. And that's our 4 bundles of straws. That is our 4 bundles that we're writing 40, 4 bundles, 40 whole straws. And then our next number is going to be our loose straw number. We have 4 loose straws. So our pattern today is 40, 44. What kind of pattern is that? Before we continue writing it, who knows what kind of pattern that is? That's right, it's our AAB pattern. AAB, 40, 44. We're going to start on the 40 again, going back to the beginning. 40, 40, 4. And then we're going to do it once more. 40, 40. And if I had a square on the end, what would I put in it? I have 40, 44, 40, 44, 40, 40. Yes, that's right. It is a 4 in this last box that we added. Great job, my friends. got another fun 4 number for you today. It is the number 24. We're learning all about our numbers in the 20s this week and next week. So let's do our trick. We're going to do our 10 and our 20 super duper lickety split very fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I really need to count? No, I just need to fill it up. Boom, I'm at 20. Super duper fast. 1 full 10 frame equals 10, and I need 2 groups of 10, so I need 2 full 10 frames. And then we'll take care of our loose straws, our ones place number, by counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now I've got 24. For our dice subtraction, let's make the number 2 today. I think that gives you a few more options. Pause me now if you want to try to think of something on your own. I know what I'm going to do. That number 4 has just been all over today. I'm going to take 4, and I'm going to subtract 2, take away 2, and then I'll still have 2 left over. Speaking of 44, here it is. We've been in school for 44 days. We'll write it in our triangle. And then we'll go back to our number 24 to fill in this little pretty circle, our fancy circle, and this square for our number bonds. Now you guys can definitely do this on your own. You can tell me what 3 numbers come before 24. And you can break 24 down into 2 different numbers. You can decompose it. So pause me now if you still need some time to write in the 3 numbers that come before or think of a number bond for the number 24. Pause me now. Unpause me when you're ready or if you get stuck. I know that 1 less than 24 is 23. I'm just going to keep counting backwards. Before 23 comes 22. Yep. And 1 less than 22 is 21. Great job, my friends. Now for our number bond, this one, you can always break up a 2-digit number by putting the 10s, which would be 20, and then the 1s, which is 4. Oh, sorry, it's getting a little small. It's getting a little hard to see down there, isn't it? Is that a little better? So I have 20 and 4 to make up 24. And then I have 21, 22, 23 leading up to the number 24. All right, let's make our tallies. Here we go. We're going to have to squeeze them in. So start all the way over on the left-hand side and make sure your tally groups are pretty skinny. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. I know I have 5s. I know I have one group of 5 and another group of 5, but I kind of counted silly. I started over for this second group of tallies. So let's start at 5 and then count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, crosses it over. And then I only have 4 more, so they're not going to get across. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I can quickly count 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Almost as good as our straw bundles with a little bit smaller number. 5 instead of 10. Let's see. For our 10 frames, we know that 10 and 20, everybody has buddies in there. They're all paired up with their friends on top or above or below them. So these guys are all paired up. Now we have to see if it's even or odd. We have to see if our loose numbers are loose straws in the ones place have buddies. Let's see. These two are buddies. Yep. And these two are buddies. Do I have an odd man out? Nope, no odd man out. That must mean the number is even. E-V-E-N. And we're going to go ahead and outline that box. 24 is an even number. Remember, any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is an even number. They all have buddies. And for our daily domino today, we made the number 2 up here. Let's do snake eyes on our domino. Snake eyes is 1 plus 1 equals 2. And last but certainly not least, we're going to start our thermometer liquid way at the bottom. That's where it lives when it's super cold. It forms together. All the molecules try to hug each other really, really tight so that they can stay warm. And then once it gets hot, they spread out just like people do. When it's really hot, you don't want anybody touching you. You're so hot. You're maybe sweating. I don't know. You're just like the mercury in a thermometer. You want to spread out once it gets a little hot. And I colored it up to about 75. So if you need some more time with this, please go ahead and let me make the video better. Let's do that. Go ahead and pause right there. Awesome work today, my friends. As I said, I cannot wait to see you on Monday. I'm very, very excited to welcome you all into class and meet you in person. Don't forget your mask. If you don't have a mask, we'll give you one. Don't forget to be washing your hands, to use hand sanitizer, that we're going to check your temperature when you get to school, and that you have to keep your airplane arm distance. You can't see my airplane arms. Because if this was another person right here, I can't do my airplane arm. It's too close. Say, I need my airplane arm space. I need my 6 feet. Or move yourself away. All right, my friends. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye.